Okay, now this is the water with the soap, hand soap, and this is the silver glitters. This is the hand sanitizer. Now, this has water and the soap, so it's okay. I'm just gonna put the hand sanitizer. And I'm gonna put the glitters. Now I'm gonna close it, and this is the tornado. As you can see, it's so weird. It's a tornado, and the soap here looks like a cloud. And here it is. Now, what causes a tornado? That is the question. The tornado forms by a funnel cloud, which is in the top, and under the funnel cloud is the tornado. It is the mixture of hot air and cold air, which is they have very strong magnetic poles, and there is clouds on top and another clouds on the other side of the, and in the other parts of these tornadoes it is sometimes raining, and tornadoes can pull, or it has different kinds of damages. It can break your house, it can get a tree from the ground and its roots and the whole tree fly from the sky, even dirt and animals. So tornado are very destructive.